No, I will not. This is my throne. Look at it.
It's gross. This is here. There's fresh water right here. This has got to be good water.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Did you drink some? How come I can't drink it? Oh, there. Oh no, I got the poops.
Ew, this thing looks like it's a old man's butt.
You were sitting on it. Oh.
I know. I went butt to butt with the old man. Uh.
All right, successful mission. I got more boner armor.
Yeah, you do. I don't know how I feel.
You what? What are you doing with that? Oh Jesus, man! Holy shit!
He's playing an instrument. What do I do?